kadar para nasıl öğrenecek? Baksana ev çatlattı.
Take a video. Benim ben. Yok. All the windows are broken. All these windows are broken.
Oh my God.
This is upstairs. Everything is on the floor. Door is fucked up.
Camın sayısı yapar mı?
Somebody was in there. They were dead. Yes, he did have a head over here.
destroyed a house on Long Island. That explosion was so powerful it knocked pictures off the walls and houses blocks away. Several people went to the hospital to be evaluated. It all happened just after 10:30 this morning in Brentwood, Suffolk County. Fox 5's Lisa Evers is live in Brentwood tonight with the very latest. Lisa.
Well, Sharon, right now several families on this street are waiting to find out if their homes will be safe enough for them to sleep in tonight. This after a powerful gas explosion destroyed an entire home and sent debris flying. And the people here are counting their blessings that no one was killed.
These Skyfox images of the scene on 4th Street in Brentwood show the devastation left by an explosion so powerful it could be felt several miles away. There is virtually nothing left of the unoccupied house here that was being fixed up.
There was nobody living in it. It was under renovation, so electric service was there, gas service was there, hot water heaters are still coming on, which is going to provide an ignition source.
Neighbors felt the blast about 10:40 Sunday morning. The force of the explosion blew out windows and sent household belongings crashing down.
It's a horror. We actually had plans to go to a wedding tonight. We were actually still in bed. We were being bums today, because we knew we were going to be up late, and we got rocked out of bed. I didn't know what happened.
Investigators believe it's an accidental explosion, but they brought in heavy equipment to dig up the foundation to be sure, and to make sure there are no other leaks.
Everybody should learn a lesson from this, and you got to be very careful with natural gas, or something catastrophic can happen like this.
Now, first responders tell me that 21 people were taken to the hospital to be evaluated. Several of them had minor injuries. They say there were no serious injuries. And here's another interesting thing about this. Neighbors are telling us that the original family that owned that home moved to Florida and sold it several months ago. They sold it to a real estate company that was in the process of rehabbing it in order to sell it. Now, we reached out to that company to try to get a comment from them, but they didn't get back to us. Sharon, that's the latest from here. Back to you.
All right, Lisa, thank you. Well, around 100,000 Christian faithful together.
I can't believe that everybody's okay, and that's all that matters.
You see what he means when you look at